Why did you go to the LCF Careers Fair?
So I wanted to attend the Careers Fair today because I really enjoy networking. I think it's something that comes naturally to a lot of creatives, and I just wanted to take the opportunity to meet more people and meet more industry professionals.
I have been looking at job opportunities because I'm about to graduate, so networking for sure has been really great, and just getting to know the various career paths that I can pursue, it's been great, yeah.
For me, it was just important to kind of get offline, because everything is so digital, LinkedIn, careers websites, all of that. Just to be here in person and meet new people and just kind of add people that actually want us there as well. Because it's hard sometimes, when you meet people at events, they're just oh, it's just another person trying to get a job. Whereas it's nice here just to be able to speak to them and not be job, job, job.
Tell me, how did you find the Careers Fair?
I found today really informative. It was just really nice to meet more people. I feel like at university, we're always hearing about networking, but being able to actually do it right at the end of my degree is a really good opportunity. So it was just nice to talk to people, learn a little bit more about the industry. We've had great guests in our lectures, but being able to meet them all at once, it was very exciting.
It has been really helpful for me. Well, I think just getting to know the recruiters, getting to know the kind of opportunities there are, and just getting to engage with people and putting faces behind these brands, it's been extremely helpful for me.
Yeah, I really found the career super useful. I think it was nicer to see what's out there. It's hard sometimes to filter through everything online, so just having it physically there was helpful, just to kind of look around and connect with people, network, etc.
And how can I make sure I'm ready for the fair?
So today I brought my portfolio with me just because I wanted to be able to show people my work. I'm a fashion photographer, so I wanted people to be able to see who I was, not just hear me talking. I want them to see my work as well.
My secret weapon is actually this app called Blink, so it's like a digital business card in a way, and so you just put it on your phone, you can add it to your Apple Wallet, and people just scan it and they have all of your information in one place. And you can attach your CV, your portfolio, your LinkedIn, your Instagram account, everything that you really need. And yeah.
I would say having a list of questions, it's been extremely important just to get your doubts clear and to get to know the recruiters what they want. And also I would say just researching these companies beforehand, it's been helpful for me.
As brand exhibitors, how did you find the Careers Fair?
Yeah, found it really helpful. It's been really great to meet the students, get a bit of brand awareness out there, and give some tips in terms of applications.
It's been fantastic. I think there's always been sort of a flurry of people that have come through, all from sort of different disciplines as well, which has been really valuable for us.
It's been amazing. It's so great meeting with so many different students coming from so many different backgrounds. Obviously finding out what they want to get into, being able to provide them that experience and advice. We've also got an express your interest form as well that we've been getting everyone to sign up for, so that's lovely, and we do aim to get back to all of the students very soon.
An amazing day so far. We've met with very interesting students and alumni as well, very interesting conversations.
It's been really good. So it's our first time Carla Otto coming to something like this. So we found it really inspiring, meeting all the new graduates and being able to connect with people, hopefully to sort of place them and work with them in the future.